Today, October 18th, 4:14 p.m. New York time. U.S. stock markets close. Futures close in about another 46 minutes. We're middle of the week. Let's do a top down on the futures. Look at three grids. From the right would be the monthly. The middle would be the weekly. The left would be the daily. Yeah, prices are still moving again because we have about another 46 minutes till the futures close. So on the right, we're looking at the monthly chart with the S&P 500 futures currently making a lower high, lower low than the prior month. Price action here, a little body, is inside that big body. Here's the low for the year, right down here. Here's the high of the year. Much closer to the high of the year than the low. On the weekly, inside candle still. We haven't taken out the high or low of the prior candle. Huge wick on the top. So a massive rejection still of that midpoint right here, that big weekly candle, that horizontal line rejection. Again, it's still inside candle and then a higher low. Interesting. Building a potential breakout to the upside, maybe. On the daily, we broke below this midpoint. Zoom in some more. There we go. That was a daily candle, drew the midpoint. We broke below it today. And right now we rejected it and we're back above it. That's good. Buyers stepped in defending it. Look at that huge body. I wonder if this is a dump into the pump later in the week, meaning that, yeah, maybe we're going to close up green for the week. So we're all the way down here. But again, maybe we're going to switch. Interesting. On to the next. The 10-year yield. Look at that. New high for the year. Strong like bull on the monthly. Outstanding. I need to move this up. In higher yields, higher interest rates, higher returns on a fixed income product. Then there they are for the weekly. Huge trading range. So this Fibonacci is no longer valid because that was the high there. All it did is from here, the bottom of here, to the higher there. I'll open up more. That was the bottom. That was the top. The retracement only went to the 0.382 and rejected it. That's good. Extremely bullish. Again, that was the saying here. Let's go to the daily. And we move the daily up to, well, actually move the weekly up to the new high. Excuse me. So many talking heads, daily, weekly, monthly, saying, that's it, we're not going to go any higher. They said that weeks ago, months ago, and they're not owning up. It's still going higher. It has gone higher. Okay, let's go to the next. US dollar. On the monthly, look, higher, high, high, low. Currently at the high of the year, right there. On the weekly, inside candle still. Interesting, right? A small trading range, inside candle for the weekly. Very interesting. A lot of indices right there. And on the daily, huge consolidation. Let's go look at the euro. Did make a video earlier of the euro because I was day trading it today. Traded it short. They're on the monthly. Yep. Made a new low for the year on this month. So I need to move that down. Do that right now. It's my housekeeping. So pretty much a big consolidation up here. Ran up there. There's pin bar up top and new low for the year. But look how small that trading range is. And it's almost over the middle of the month already. Small little trading range. Interesting. And for the weekly, inside candle. Again, a huge consolidation building here. And on the daily. So open this up. So yesterday we tested midpoint right here. Traded above it, rejected it, and closed pretty much at it. Today, we made a big red candle and a lower low. But again, that's still holding up in this consolidation phase I see here. Let's continue. We'll look at the 4-hour candles now. Good triggers often found here. So 5 days, 4-hour candles on the S&P 500 futures. This candle would be done at 5 p.m. Huge trading range. Again, on that daily time frame I showed you, I included it here too. Midpoint tested it, rejected, went above, so that was a swing low. So I'm just wondering if this is the dump into the pump Thursday or Friday. And we know the dollar going higher often has a negativity on the equity market. We're in the 10-year yield, like I said, new high for the year. Last 4-hour candle, inside candle, so potential. Say how it closes at the 5 p.m., but potential reversal. Zoom out. Yep. Remember this? That was a selling, hit it, rejected it, hit it, rejected it. Finally broke it, hit it hard enough, broke above it. So now it's becoming a demand zone support. Amazing. And the US dollar currently for inside candle. So over the 5 days, we had a consolidation here, breakout, impulse up, consolidation here, huge consolidation range right in here. Big difference than what we have trending on the 10-year yield. Crude oil, huge consolidation. Gold, you see it's trending up the past 5 days. Bitcoin, really struggling down here. Smaller trading lanes, yeah. Even the economic news that was released regarding, I think, some kind of court action on the exchanges was positive. It didn't help crypto. It was just a spike momentarily on the news, and then looks stay down there. Natural gas near the low of the week. Silver, got a lot of whipsaw today. Haven't had trends and deep pullback. And the euro. There we go on the 4-hour candle. So here was these midpoints off the weekly and 4-hour. Did a lot of testing in it. Resistance. And broke above it. Rejection. So big wick there, rejection. Big wick there, rejection. Couldn't we get to the midpoint right there? And dump. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.